Hey friends, welcome back for day 6 of Doggy Disguises. Today we are going to draw a dog wearing an avocado suit. Yes, I said it. You didn't think they could be together, but here we are. So let's go ahead and get started. We got to do it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make kind of like an oval shape, more like an upside down egg, but really an oval is totally fine. As you can tell, mine is not perfect. Next, let's go ahead and do our nose for our dog. It's our guitar pick, flipped upside down, and leave a little shine. All right, so eyes for our dog. You know what? I'm going to make this doggy look super happy to be an avocado. So we're going to give her a smile. And actually, I haven't really added a whole lot of mouths to these dogs. So let's go ahead and sneak in a little mouth. All right, so here's the funny part. So at the top, right above her head, this is her head kind of peeking through an avocado. We are going to make a nice close line at the top. Whoops, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And then we are going to, it's kind of like a rainbow, and then we're going to flare the line out on both sides and bring it down. So this might be tricky to do all at once. So just kind of, you can air draw if you want, or you can just go for it. So we're gonna make our line go in and out. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you mess up, mine is definitely not perfect. Something I like to do is just kind of thicken up the lines when in doubt, and that's good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna do the pit of the avocado, which is just gonna really be like a circle here. And a fun way that we can do a little bit of shading, so this doesn't look just like a circle, is we can kind of darken up one side with our marker, and then this is a technique that that is called hatching. And so hatching is when you do lines that are close together to add a little bit of shadow. And I'm going to do it on this side. And this is going to make it look like our avocado is kind of, the pit is popping out. So at the top, I'm just going to do a few short diagonal lines. And they just kind of curve around just that side where I kind of thickened up the side of the pit. And there we go. It looks like it's popping out now. All right, so let's do another line here. We're going to make just another little line that goes around. This is like the shell of the avocado. All right. And then let's just add some legs underneath. 2 vertical lines, and then at the bottom, I'm just going to do a little rainbow and then a curve it at the bottom. Couple toes. Bada bing, bada boom. I think this doggy needs a little something on her face, so why don't we do just some texture there. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Yum. Alrighty, there is our doggy dressed as an avocado. How crazy and silly, but super cute and adorable. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Join me tomorrow where we do another one, because who doesn't love dogs in costumes? See you then.